Alright, here's my brand new 50-inch 4K TV to replace the Vizio. So, let's go ahead and unbox it, shall we? Alright, so we got one leg, two leg, the remote, didn't say I was a professional at this. Okay. Looks like we got power cable, screws for the legs, and instructions. Okay. Oh, drop the phone. My first ever hit screen. It's pretty slick looking. So I'm going to go ahead and put this together, which will be a different video. In the next video, because I already did a before video on the 29, but the next video, which the one I'm making, the before and after, it's going to be 3 videos. So the next video, after I'm done with this one, will be comparing size comparison. See ya.